Vining varieties like pothos will grow happily almost everywhere, and they create this huge clump of trailing foliage. Now, this guy needs a haircut, so today we're going to show you how to propagate your pothos from cuttings. So first thing you need is to find the plant node. Look below the leaf or stem for a tiny brown root. These tiny bumps are the key to propagating your pothos. You'll want to snip off a couple of inches of the healthy stem right before a node. Just include a node or two with the cutting, as this is where your new roots will grow from. Cut on a 45-degree angle. Remove any leaves that will sit in water, as they can rot and make your water become dirty much more quickly. Your cuttings can live in water indefinitely. If you decide to go down this path, you will eventually need to upgrade the size of the vessel as the roots continue to grow. Change the water in your vessel once a fortnight or once you notice it going murky, and then top up to ensure that the water doesn't evaporate. It's good to note that the water won't actually have the same nutritional value as your soil does, so you can add a few drops of sea salt once every 1 to 2 months if you'd like to. Place your cutting into a spot that receives indirect light. A windowsill is often a great place. So after a few weeks, your pothos will have grown some roots, and now you can either choose to leave them in the vessel or you can pop them up into a desired planter. And here's how you do it. Now you've just created your very own pothos.